kayo ng mga items na everyday natin ginagamit na connected sa
chemistry.
Galing mo dun.
Galing.
Alam nyo ba na may mga chemistry pala yung mga items na ginagamit natin sa araw-araw?
Oo, parang sugar, water, vinegar, at iba ba? At itong mga pagkain na kinakain namin ngayon.
So, yung vlog natin for today is with the twist. Gagawin natin yung trend sa TikTok na bring a random items.
And each of us will bring out a compound and explain why it is important.
Let's start!
Let's start! Let's start! So, walaan yan na yung first item natin.
Graba.
Salab lang.
Oh, yeah.
Ay,
Sugar!
Walang pala. Ano meron
Alam
dyan?
niyo ba, ang scientific name ng sugar ay sucrose?
Circles pala yun.
Oo, at ang chemical formula niya ay C12, H22, and O11. And it has a glycosidic bond.
Sarap! Alam nyo rin ba na ang sugar ay highly soluble in water? Kaya ito ang kadalasang ginagamit sa mga iniinom natin at kinakain natin.
Alam niyo ba ang basic properties ng sugar ay meron siyang high solubility in water, crystalline structure, and low melting point. This makes sugar useful ingredient in many food and beverages. Ang tamis! Parang sila.
Wala! Okay, next item. So, our next item is
Alcohol!
Let's go!
Also known as ethanol. And its chemical formula is C2H6O. And it has a covalent bond.
Oo, gamit na gamit ito sa mga antiseptic at alcohol beverages. Alam nyo ba, ethanol is used in many industrial products too.
parang alak.
Galing na! Alcohols like ethanol are very important in industrial chemicals. It is used as antiseptic and its main ingredient in alcohol beverages. Katulad ng alcohol.
Oo.
So next up is vinegar!
Vinegar. Chemical formula niya ay C2H4O2. Vinegar has acetic acid, kaya nga maasim siya.
Parang si Yael!
Uy, bakit ako? Perfect to guys sa mabisan chichira guys. Vinegar has a covalent bond and it's actually good in solvent too.
Wow.
Vinegar's acetic acid is weak acid that doesn't completely dissolve in water. But vinegar is also a good solvent because it can dissolve many substances.
Wow! Galing!
Vinegar is super useful talaga guys. Ano?
Kaya
Sa
nga.
pagkain, sa cleaning, at food preservation. At iba pa.
Galing naman. Kaya pala ang atin parang si Aryan din.
Oo.
So, ang next natin ay, walaan nyo!
Buhangin! Kasi may tumutunog
Oxygen.
kanina eh.
Mali, OA.
Ano ba?
Salt! Malayan salt pa yan, no? Alam niyo ba, ang chemical formula ng salt ay NaCl or sodium chloride. Siya ay merong ionic bond.
Ang galing! Perfect surprise! Salt is really important kasi it is essential nutrient for humans.
Alam nyo ba guys, salts exhibit an ion bond because it formed from the ionic bonding of sodium ions and chloride ions. Salt has a crystal structure, dissolves easily in water, and conducts electricity when dissolved.
So last but not the least is acetone!
Yay!
Mukha lang siyang hindi acetone pero acetone yan guys. So, did you know na ang chemical formula ng acetone ay C3H6O? Siya ay may single non-polar bonds and may one double polar bond.
Alang galing.
Perfect for nail polish removal.
Ayun pala yung
Ang
ginagamit
acetone, isang solvent siya, which means it can dissolve or break down substances like paint and varnish.
Wow!
Acetone is a solvent, meaning it can break down or dissolve materials like paint, varnish, and nail polish. It's also used in manufacturing plastic, lacquers, and textiles.
Galing! Wala yun!
Guys.
So, ayun na nga guys. So, chemistry is all around us. In the food we eat, in the drinks we drink, and even in the things we use every day.
Thirsty.
So, again, we have total of 5 compounds here with us. First is alcohol, salt, acetone, vinegar, and sugar. Ayun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gosh.
See you next time, guys!
Bye!